Good morning, I'm Sue Spargo and welcome to week 4 of Bits and Pieces. This week we're going to be working with some oranges and a little yellow. So it's persimmon, sorbet, golden wheat and mango. And you can use them in any position you want. So you're going to cut out a total of 3 blocks if you're going to do 3 of this solid block, and then you will cut all the pieces that are listed on the handout, and these are them. So again, if you look, I've done 2 blocks the same in each block. You don't have to, and then 1 that's different in the corners, and 1 solid block. So what you're going to do is cut out your pieces, decide on your colors, and then you're going to make it like a little log cabin block. You'll sew this one on and then press. Sew this one on and press. Sew this one on and press, and then sew this one on and press. And then you will end up with 3 little blocks plus 1 of these. And then you can put them together any way you want. I actually put the broader striped piece on the outside of each block like this. And then this one would go here. So again, you'll sew it together as a little 4-patch block. Just remember to trim all these little seams. Can you see here how I've trimmed every single one, taken out the little excess so that it helps it lie quite a lot flatter, especially because we've got quite a few seams coming together there. So that is good. That is the little blocks. This time I decided purple was what I wanted to do. So I'm using EZ26, and that is a number 3 again. I love the way the number 3 looks on these. And I'm using my circle template. So this time I'm using the 2-inch here. I did 2. This one I did a 3-inch, just 1, so you can overlap the circles, or this one is for the 3-inch, and then here I used a 2 3/4, and then I offset the 1 3/4, so it's not centered in the center, which I think looks nice. So you can overlap your blocks. It changes the appearance of them when you do that. And I think that looks quite nice. Don't forget to, those of you that are looking to buy kits, the second month of kits will be up on our website so that you'll have them in time for the start of week 5 through 8. So if you liked this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you back here next Wednesday.